Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the easiest and most delicious tuna and macaroni salad. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by cooking our macaroni. To my pot, I already added 2 quarts of water. To that, I'm going to add half an onion, 2 bay leaves, and salt. We're going to set it on high heat and allow it to come to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, we're going to add our macaroni. And we're just going to allow it to cook for 8 minutes or depending on the time that your package says. Okay, and once the macaroni has cooked, we're just going to turn it off and get ready to drain it. We're going to rinse it with cold water. And just remove the onion and bay leaves. Okay, and just give it some time so our macaroni can cool down. Once the macaroni has cooled, place it in your mixing bowl. Into that, we're going to add our 12 ounces of tuna. Make sure that you drain it. Okay, to that, we're going to add our celery, onion, red bell pepper, pickled jalapeños, and corn. We're going to add 1 cup of mayo, half a cup of pickled jalapeno juice, half a teaspoon of garlic salt, black pepper, and a little salt. And now we're just going to mix it all together. Okay, and once we have mixed everything together, we have our salad. So now we're just going to place it in the refrigerator and allow it to chill for at least 15 minutes. Alright guys, and after 15 minutes, we can now get ready to serve. So I got my little bowl here. Okay, and I'm going to be serving with some cucumber and of course, some crackers. And just top it with the jalapeno. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that we all love our tuna salad. This is how we enjoy it here at home. This is one of my favorite meals, to make under 30 minutes. And of course, it's always a good budget meal. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. And of course, if you don't like the onions or bell pepper or something in the salad, just don't add it. But it's seriously super delicious. So cheers and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious macaroni and tuna salad. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.